What is STEAM? It's an acronym for science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. STEAM makes connections across these disciplines. STEAM labs provide a fully integrated learning environment to support hands-on, minds-on learning. It's a place where personalized learning engages your children with opportunities to explore, problem solve, collaborate, create, and learn. Your kids will design solutions to real-world problems and work with computer code and robotics. Science courses are hands-on and laboratory-based, and projects are connected to the broader curriculum. They will develop skills to strengthen their communication, collaboration, critical thinking, creativity, time management, and adaptability. Throughout the program, they will experiment with projects like circuitry, mechanics, digital communications, graphic design, and robotics. STEAM lab learners apply a wide range of technologies to projects that matter to them, personally and academically. Meaningful reflection happens every day as students create e-portfolios to document and present their learning. Your children become active participants through an equitable learning environment that also empowers instructors in their own professional growth. Problem solving with real-world connections and technology is a priority at Escuela Americana as we prepare new generations of leaders.